do you have some things around the house that you don't want anymore, but you think they might have some value? Well, we've got just the place for you to find out. You know her. Erin Kalmbach from Biltmore Loan Jewelry is joining us every Tuesday. Somebody from Biltmore Loan joins us. Sometimes it's David, and sometimes you come on in.
Change it up a little bit.
Always with good information. Now, Biltmore Loan Jewelry, let's talk quickly about the concept and what's different about it.
We like to consider ourselves a new bank. We're collateral lenders, and we like to provide people an opportunity if they have items of value to get themselves a bridge loan for to start up a business, to get through a bit of tough times.
Sure.
You know, just whatever they might need for at that time. We like to create that opportunity in a relaxed, private, comfortable environment.
Well, and because a lot of people have acquired some really nice items, you know, in the height of the economy, and now they're finding themselves just, you know, with some financial, you know, constraints and just need a little help just to kind of get them over the bridge. So you have something and you're thinking, you know, can I get anything for it? You want folks to send in a photo with a description of something, and this came to you. And tell me what caught your eye about it.
Well, this we decided to bring today. This is for the ocean lovers at heart. This is a sculpture by Kitty Cantrell, and this is done in bronze and lucite, and it is a limited piece, 492 out of 500, and it retails for $3,300. And we had a client who needed just a small loan, and we provided $600.
Wow. Now, so did you actually purchase or loan on it?
We did a loan on this. They did want it back.
So that's kind of the neat thing that you guys do. I mean, you don't have to sell your item outright. I mean, sometimes people have things that are really important to them. You know, they've inherited, it's a family piece that they don't actually want to give up. They just need a little bit of help. So we kind of have, as coming into your business, have that choice. They have the opportunity. So if they, you know, if it's sentimental to them and it's near and dear to them,
they can just do the loan, and after 90 days, want to get it out, they can, or keep the loan going if they need to.
Now, here's the one thing that I think is important for our viewers to know is that sometimes they come across items, you know, they're out and about it. I know what you're thinking. I'm out and about at a garage sale and I see something really cool and I'm thinking I'm going to get some serious money for it. But that's not always the case. That people really should, if they pick something up like that, you encourage them to do some of their own research.
If they find something that they think is important or might have value, it's always important for them to, you know, go on the internet, go and research. You know, the artist last name should have history, should have a reputation. We like to buy and lend on things that is something that has a good resale market. Because something's old or something might be artistic, may not necessarily have the value that we could provide a loan or buy on. So it's important for research.
Absolutely. You're kind of like help them help you help them. Does that make sense?
Help me help you.
Help me. Yeah, because I mean, honestly, you guys are not a research facility. It's you know, the more information you can gather, and the better that you can help someone.
It really is important for like the name, the artist's name. That's something that it needs to have history. It needs to have a reputation. It needs to have something that we can sell again if we need to. So, that's really, really important.
Well, that's kind of what you're looking at. I mean, as a business, if you're going to buy it, it's got to have resale value.
We have to.
Or if you're going to loan on it, same thing.
Because there is the potential sometimes that we may, if you know the client does not want it back, then we will still have to sell it. So it has to be something that we can resell again, and it has to have that market for it.
Gotcha. All right, and you know what? You might be surprised, you know, so do a little bit of research.
It's fun.
It is fun. You know, you never know what you're going to find, and you can send in the information, and they'll get back to you and say, hey, here's what it's, you know, here's the potential on it. So send the pictures, the descriptions, as much information as you can to info@biltmoreloan.com. You could also give them a call at 480-991-LOAN. They have a website, biltmoreloan.com, and you could also like them at Facebook/Biltmore Loan. And I know you'll be back with some more interesting things, so we'll want to stick around for that. Okay,